I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to your Affirm app is a straightforward process. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to payment methods. Once you're in the app, look for the payment methods section in the menu. This is where you can manage your cards. Step 3. Select Add a card. In the payment method section, tap on the Add a card button. This will prompt you to enter your credit card details. Step 4. Enter your card information. Fill in your credit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check the information to avoid any errors. For example, if you accidentally enter the wrong expiration date, the app will reject the card. Step 5. Save your card. After entering your details, tap the Save button to add your credit card to your account. You should see a confirmation message once it's successfully added. Now you're all set to use your credit card with Affirm. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to check the app's help section. Happy shopping!